Hey, what's up, queers? Just making a video here. If you own a piece of shit Dodge Ram, you heard me right, and your fucking seat is clunking, odds are it's this lateral bar here. It's sort of like a rivet. They get loose. So at the dealership, they're gonna tell you that you need to replace it. It's way too expensive. So what you can do is just remove the plastic trims, take it out, and weld the bar to the side frame here on both sides. I just applied a little paint coat. So if you can save some money, I would recommend it. Fix the problem for me. So that's pretty much it, guys. All right, see y'all.